Morning guys, beautiful day we got here. I'm going to shovel in front of the shop here because the roof overhang is kind of low, so the tractor can't get under it. But anyway, yeah, it's nice and sunny, so enjoy. The piles here are so big, I don't even know where to put it anymore. exhausting. Let me show you these piles. It's crazy. All right, it's time to get the chickens some water. I installed this laundry tub. It doesn't have a drain, it just has a bucket underneath, but it's a great place to fill up and wash some things out. Hey girls. Yeah. Should we let them out?
It's gonna get nicer as the day goes on. I think we should.
Okay. We'll let the chickens out later, guys. Boy's busy cleaning the coop and she wants to finish that before letting them out. You're free, chickens. They're so domesticated, I don't even know if they know what free is anymore. Come on. Get those mealworms. Come on, girls. They don't want to get their feet cold. Come on, girls. Get out. You'd think they were afraid of the cold. So yeah, guys, I'm preparing for an upcoming surgery. It's going to be a big one, so I'll probably be out for a little bit. I won't be making any videos. But as soon as I can, I'll get right back at it because I enjoy making them. And I enjoy showing what we're doing around the homestead. So stay tuned. Watch the ones that I've already got out. Enjoy them until I get back at it. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Stay safe and stay warm.